Prepare yourself for an astonishing journey into the unknown. What occurs when you fall into a black hole? It's more mind-blowing than you can imagine. Picture this. You're being drawn into a black hole. It might sound like a thrilling movie twist, but it's based on real physics. As you approach this massive cosmic entity, the gravitational pull increases dramatically. You would sense an intense force, like an unseen hand trying to tear you apart. This bizarre occurrence is called spaghettification. Can you picture it? You're elongated like a piece of spaghetti, facing an unimaginable fate. Now there's a key boundary known as the event horizon. This is the point of no return. Once you cross it, there's no going back. Even light, the fastest entity in existence, cannot escape. You'd be swallowed by total darkness, while the universe outside fades into oblivion. Let's explore time's strange behavior near a black hole. If someone observed you from a safe distance, it would seem like you were frozen in time as you neared the event horizon. Yet, for you, time would flow normally, creating a surreal contrast. Inside the black hole, our understanding of physics starts to crumble. At its core lies the singularity, a mysterious point that fascinates scientists. What truly occurs there? This question remains an enigma, leaving us with more questions than answers. Can anyone survive this horrifying experience? The truth is a resounding no. The extreme gravitational forces would tear you apart long before you could reach the singularity. It's a chilling reality, one that sends shivers down your spine. The existence of black holes is a captivating blend of awe and fear, reminding us of the universe's most profound secrets, waiting for us to uncover and comprehend. Imagine being drawn closer and closer, feeling the pull intensifying. Your body would stretch, and your senses would be overwhelmed. What would you think in those final moments? The vastness of space would seem both beautiful and terrifying. You'd be caught in a cosmic dance, with fate beyond your control. As you approach the event horizon, the darkness would envelop you. The universe you once knew would disappear behind you, leaving only the black hole ahead. It's a haunting image, isn't it? The very fabric of reality as you know it would unravel. What lies beyond the event horizon? No one knows for sure. Theories abound, but answers remain elusive. Scientists speculate about wormholes and alternate dimensions, but they are just that, speculations. The truth might be far stranger than we can conceive. The idea of spaghettification is not just a quirky term, it's a grim reality. The forces at play are beyond comprehension. It's a reminder of how fragile our existence is in the grand scheme of the cosmos. Black holes are not just terrifying, they are also fascinating. They challenge our understanding of physics and the universe. They remind us that there is so much we have yet to learn. Each black hole is a mystery, a puzzle waiting to be solved. As we continue to explore the universe, we uncover more about these cosmic giants. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding their nature. What secrets do they hold? What can they teach us about the universe? The existence of black holes invites us to ponder our place in the cosmos. They are a symbol of the unknown, a challenge to our intellect. The more we learn, the more questions arise. It's a thrilling pursuit, one that keeps scientists and dreamers alike captivated. So what do you think? Are you ready to dive into the mysteries of black holes? The journey may be perilous, but the knowledge we gain could be extraordinary. The universe is vast and full of wonders, and black holes are just one of its many enigmas. Let's keep exploring.